Hello everyone. Welcome to Gyanshala. Piku is sitting in the Experience Center of PB Partners and is explaining the health insurance policy to a customer, Gupta ji. This is his first standalone sales call. Piku is a little nervous as well as excited. While explaining to Gupta ji about the need and importance of health insurance, Gupta ji asked Piku a question which Piku could not handle. Piku could not close the call and it became a follow-up call. In the evening, Uncle Gyani went to Piku's house where he saw Piku sitting in a deep thought.
Hello Piku, how are you today? You had a meeting with Mr. Gupta, right? So, have you finally booked your first health insurance policy?
Oh Uncle Gyani, I am very upset because of that call.
Hey, why? What happened? Is everything fine?
Uncle Gyani, today I coordinated with Mr. Gupta and invited him to the Experience Center. We were discussing the policy, but at one point I could not handle and clear his objection, and instead of closing the deal, it went for a follow-up.
What was the objection that led to Mr. Gupta leaving without taking the policy?
Uncle Gyani, I suggested him to take a policy where the sum insured was rupees 10 lakhs, and I told him that he can use this full sum insured anytime in a year, and after taking the policy, if he is diagnosed with any disease and is admitted to the hospital, this coverage will protect him financially.
Absolutely. Then what happened? What objection did he have?
He said, what if this entire sum insured gets finished in one hospitalization, and he is required to get hospitalized again, or someone from his family needs it, then this policy would be insufficient. And I could not counter this objection. Mr. Gupta left by saying he would think over and tell, and it became a follow-up call.
Oh Piku, do you know? Today, health insurance policies offer a unique feature which we know as refill or restoration. According to this feature, companies provide additional sum insured if your base sum insured gets exhausted. Furthermore, many policies offers unlimited restoration as well, due to which if a policyholder gets hospitalized multiple times, then his expenses are covered by the insurer.
Oh wow, Uncle Gyani, this is an amazing feature. I will message him today and tell him about it, and hopefully in 1 or 2 days, I will finally book my first policy. Thank you Uncle Gyani.
Welcome Piku, and all the best.
For more exciting content, stay tuned at Gyanshala via emails, WhatsApp and PB Partners portal every Wednesday at 3 p.m. PB Partners, एक रिश्ता भरोसे का.